1964 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop. Sitting nice and low. This one is on air ride, so that can be adjusted. 350 small block Chevy power paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlights, surrounds. Of course, the iconic 64 front end, and of course rear taillight area. One of the more popular years. This particular car does have a wrap on it, so it's kind of a burgundy, and there are some kind of imperfections in the wrap. There's a few bubbles throughout, no doubt. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Kind of done up as an SS tribute, as you can see, with the SS wheel covers and some badging on it. We get around to the rear. It does have bucket seats in it. Black vinyl interior. Another thing to remember is this vehicle will come with the 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Side exiting exhaust, as you can see down there in front of the passenger rear wheel. Take a look up and down the side of this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Again, extendable out to 10 years. You can see some of that bubbling on the trunk also. So those cars, get in and drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And again, take your time, look through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Easiest just to click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. You take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Interior's in nice shape. Again, black vinyl. Free of rips, tears, holes. Door panels. Also the SS emblem. Take a look at the headliner. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Air ride switches real quick, I guess, before I start this up. And I'll put a piece of tape up here so you know. But it was front and rear, or over here, and then it goes left and right. But I'll put a piece of tape up on that with the initials for what corner or the front or the rear that will affect, and how to work it. There's 2 pumps in the trunk as well as 2 tanks. Check out the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's a switch right down here that turns on the actual air pumps. So I'm going to click that off just so we don't have it running in the trunk when I walk around the back to let you hear this run. Was a cold start, so you can see the cold light on up there. Aftermarket stereo system, Alpine. Of course, the SS center console with a 4-speed on the floor. Get an idea how it sounds. Let me slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood, check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second so I can get that hood open. I'll be right back. Take a look at the underside of the hood. There's that 350 small block Chev. Aluminum radiator. Smooth runner. There's the battery disconnect here also. '64 Chevrolet Impala SS Tribute, I guess, if you will. 2-door hardtop. Air ride. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, this car will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This is a different car, very unique. Our radio works. This car is lowered a little on airbags so we can adjust the height. Runs good. Good acceleration. It's 4-speed on the floor. Factory tachometer does not function, but the speedometer does. Fuel gauge is reading just under half. If I let go of the wheel, maybe a slight list to the left. Could possibly be that we not got completely even on our adjustable wheel height, since that is an option this vehicle has. Lights for the other indicators, so we don't really have gauges. Our wipers do work. This car is smooth running, doesn't have any shakes or shimmies. Brakes work good. It's really a comfortable car. And though the suspension is adjustable, it's not a harsh ride. It's aired up a little over halfway probably right now, and it's a comfortable ride. Takes the roads well, even bumps.